Hi guys, this is Roxana, and today I'm bringing you something completely different, and we're going to do recipes from the Happy Planner planner book. That is this one, and I have a recipe which is healthy, and um, I'm gonna be using the sticker book food for this recipe. And I already have picked out some stickers so we can go faster. And now I'm gonna take out the page so we can do it now. Okay, the recipe I'm gonna do is the tomato sauce, and it's homemade style. We really like it here. It's very uh, you can use it for a lot of things. We use it for a lot of things. So I'm gonna use write the title on top with the lettering I'm practicing, but you can write it any way you want it. And I write it nice and slowly so I can make it nice since it's going into my planner, recipe planner. And hopefully it'll go down, like my kids will use it later on. They are small now. You can use, as I said, any type of lettering. Now I'm gonna write the ingredients, and I'm gonna start with they are tomatoes, garlic, red bell pepper, onion. I looked this recipe up. The ones One time I had like a bunch of tomatoes and they were gonna go bad, so I looked a recipe up, and this one came up, and I decided to use it, and we've been using it, I don't know, a few years now, and it's, as I was saying, you can use it for a lot of things. And my kids are a little, like, they don't like to eat too many vegetables, so sometimes I would I would I take some of the vegetables they don't want to eat, like pumpkin or carrots, and I broil them in with the other stuff, and they don't even notice it. So that's perfect. Then we have some olive oil, salt, pepper, and some basil. We use the basil at the end. We don't put it in a pan in the oven because it doesn't, I think it ruins it a little bit, like the taste of it. It's not as nice as it should be. So that's what I do. And I'm gonna fast forward the part with the directions so you don't have to see me writing them all, but you're gonna see, like, you can put them in the oven, sprinkle down all of the salt, pepper, and the olive oil, put it in the oven, and um, as I said, uh, I'm gonna write the directions, and you can see it in the comments. Now that I have all of the directions here, you can see I have like a, a few different things. I wrote it all down, and it's okay. It has like in the notes part I have everything, and since it goes in the blender, I'm gonna use a blender here, and it goes in the oven. So we are gonna use this oven. I really like these stickers, they are so fun. But before you use the blender, you have to make sure they are tender and they are cold, so you will not damage the blender. And we use the recipe, as I was telling you, we use it a lot, and usually depends, like I'm not telling you like 3 tomatoes, 4 tomatoes, or one garlic. It's kind of like um, you wing it, you go with it, you pick the things as much as you like, and then you can like um, you can it's kind of a trial and error. You put the more salt, pepper, and everything after the blender, and you see how it tastes, so you can have it there. And then also I take them, I usually freeze a lot of the things, uh, and there is no prep time or cook time, since I'm not doing like, as I was saying, there is no exact amount, like it doesn't serve these many people, because it depends on how much tomatoes you have, how much pepper, onion, garlic, whatever you decide to put it in. I was telling you, I freeze it in Ziploc bags, and I use it afterwards sometimes, or I can use it as a soup if I like it. If it's too liquid, I usually take it into a pot and make it more, have it more consistency. Now I'm laying down some tomatoes for the title, so it looks really nice and fun, and the carrot. And I think like this is a family favorite, so I have this sticker that I want to lay it down, because we use it in pizza, we use it in a lot of recipes. I'm gonna be keeping it up. I'll be telling you about them in the next in the this is kind of like a series, so I'll be telling you other recipes that include this recipe, so watch out for that one. Then we have the pepper, so we'll put a nice a lot along the pepper. And then I have the salt, and I have to cut a little bit of it because it's, I don't know, it's kind of weird, the sticker. Now we can place it down next to salt and pepper, and I like how it looks. Now the bell pepper will go along the bell pepper where it says bell pepper. I really like how it's coming all together. And then I love this quote, so I'm gonna use some correction tape to take out prep time and cook time, since, as I told you before, it depends. And I'm gonna lay this sticker down there. Okay, I really like how it looks there, but I have the blender, so I'm gonna take it out and move it a little bit. See, it looks good. It looks nice. And the blender over there looks really nice too. So I hope you really liked it, and you can check the recipe. It's down in the description. If you really liked it, give it a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.